Tripura government grossly violated the orders of the Supreme Court and we will file a contempt petition soon, said CPM Party Secretary Jiten Chaudhary. The CPM Party Secretary and Central Committee member Jiten Chaudhary said today evening amid a press meet that the party will approach the Supreme Court with a contempt plea against the state government. Ruling on my petition in the Apex Court, the Supreme Court bench had directed the Additional Solicitor General to prepare for emergency dispatch of force. But earlier, the Chief Secretary and DGP had filed an affidavit asserting there was adequate central force for deployment. But today, on the day of election, we have not seen any deployment of central force. The state government has grossly violated the orders of the Supreme Court and we will file a contempt of petition soon, said Jiten Chaudhary.
যে নির্বাচন সম্পূর্ণ বাতিল করার জন্য আমরা আবেদন জানাব এবং আরো 3টি নগরে সেখানে কয়েকটা করে বুথে আমরা রিপোলিং আমরা চাইব। সব জায়গাতেই যে সাধারণ মানুষ, সাধারণ ভোটার নির্বাচন তারা ব্রিলিয়ান্টলি যে শাসক দলের এই যে বর্বরতার বিরুদ্ধে রুখে দাঁড়িয়েছেন তাদেরকে আমরা অভিনন্দন জানাবো।
দিদি একটু বাংলায় যদি বলেন যে কার কাছে আপনারা আবেদন জানাবেন?
না বলছি আমি, আই এম কামিং টু দ্যাট। তো আমরা রিটেন নির্বাচন কমিশনের কাছে যে দাবিগুলো করা হয়েছে আজকে সন্ধ্যাতেই আমরা পাঠাবো।
He further said that they have compiled altogether 40 cases of violence today on the day of election in which more than 30 people sustained injuries and are now in hospital, some of them in critical condition. Jiten Chaudhary also said that his party has videographed most of the incidents of violence and rigging in polls and they will apprise the people of the country of how democracy has been destroyed in Tripura under ruling BJP. The new chairman of the Left-Front Committee, Narayan Kar, who also addressed the interactive session with the media today evening, said that the way BJP has made a mockery of election and trampled upon the rights of people is unprecedented and it has exposed the truly fascist nature of the ruling Saffron Party. Narayan said that BJP has lost its trust totally in the people of the state and that is why they are resorting to fascist tactics in all elections and in maintaining law and order situation. Meanwhile, the State Election Commission sources said at around 8:30 p.m. at night that polling percentage was 81.52%. However, the commission is yet to give the total polling percentage officially. Bureau Report, Halapur.